Learn most common mistakes in English. Let's start. Every student likes the teacher. Every student likes the teacher. I must call him immediately. I must call him immediately. He was boring in the class. He was bored in the class. She's married with a lecturer. She's married to a lecturer. The man which works here is from Spain. The man who works here is from Spain. I have visited Paris last weekend. I visited Paris last weekend. I like very much ice cream. I like ice cream very much. Me and him are going to the party. He and I are going to the party. I must study for the exam. I must study for the exam. I'll go to the store, so I'll buy some bread. I'll go to the store and buy some bread. The test was very hardly. The test was very hard. I have lived in Japan for 2 years ago. I have lived in Japan for 2 years. The group of people were arguing. The group of people was arguing. This is the most happiest day of my life. This is the happiest day of my life. The car is belong to John. The car belongs to John. She wear a beautiful dress to the wedding. She wore a beautiful dress to the wedding. We was watching a movie last night. We were watching a movie last night.